Welcome back to Ideal BrightSide. Today I will tell you 9 quotes to help you. 1. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 2. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. 3. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. 4. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Zig Ziglar. 5. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. 6. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 7. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Christian D. Larson. 8. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. 9. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. Unknown.
Now please
Hope this
subscribe
helps
the
you and see
Ideal
you in the next
BrightSide
video.
for